Hi, my name is Kyle from FieldAR, and we're at a job site today to check out some of the augmented reality tools available for everyone in the FieldAR mobile app. I already have a model loaded in FieldAR and my generated QR code target installed at this location, so let's check it out.
With the app open, you can easily scan any FieldAR QR code at your job site with a single tap. Once the model is loaded, you can walk around and the app will automatically align the model to the real world. Using the Adjust AR tool, you can control the opacity of the model to see more or less of the model over the real world. You can change the adjustment mode from opacity to the section tool using the dropdown. Next, you can toggle the Wireframe Mode to see the outlines of the model, which is helpful when comparing model elements to the real world. In the Capture tool from the bottom menu, you can take photos and videos to share with your team members. For iOS devices, you can use the drop-down on the left to change from camera mode to 3D scanner mode. The 3D scanner lets you create dimensionally accurate 3D mesh models of the space. We'll look at this tool again later in the video. Using the Measure tool from the bottom menu, you can quickly snap dimensions of the 3D model or measure real-world elements in AR. You can change the units from feet to meters using the left side drop-down. Using the Model to World toggle, you can snap dimensions from the model to an object in the real world, which is handy when verifying the accuracy of installed equipment and building systems. Let's explore the Markups tool. When you tap the New Markup button, you'll be prompted to choose a location to start a markup. You can add a description and snap a photo of the issue. And as an optional step, you can draw a sketch on the photo to describe the issue. The remaining features are optional, but can be helpful. You can assign the markup to a team member and add a due date. You can also capture a 3D scan of the real world to assign to this markup. The 3D scans can be loaded back in Revit or Navisworks using the FieldAR plugins, which are automatically aligned to the project BIM. This is helpful for your BIM managers to compare the real-world condition against the BIM. With our markup complete, tap Submit to save it to the FieldAR cloud. You'll now be able to see the markup icon in the model. You can hide the markup icons by tapping the View button in the bottom right of the Markups tool. Using the Model Elements tool, you can tap on model pieces to see information about them. You can hide, isolate, and highlight individual model elements, which is helpful if your model is really complex and you only want to see certain elements. You can tap the Floorplan button to view a mini map, which will automatically zoom into your location and allow you to walk around during your AR session. This can be helpful to check where you are in the building and to see where other QR code markers are located. Lastly, you can tap the Project Info panel at the top to see basic project details and context for anyone assigned to the project. That's about it for using the FieldAR mobile app at your job site. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.